Australia's got such a great variety of native plants. You know, I've tried to put as many as I can into our garden. Well, take this one here for instance. It's the dandelion. It's such a lovely plant. Oh no, that's a weed. Chicken bones, for instance. This here's a good old Australian native tree. It's what we call the silver boobs. The silver birch. And as you can see, it's got like a silver green leaf with a really prominent silver trunk. And this one here, this is an Australian native. In fact, mother's a bitch, pillow biter. The Australian bottle brush. Well, it is a native plant. You know, and it's one of my favourites. In summer, it comes up with these luscious, vibrant red, like really fine leaves as foliage, and it's fuck. Yucca! Fuck! Very easy to grow. KNOB Jockey! Looks good too. I don't actually know what this one's called, but I do like it. It's got a real nice. It's got a scent to it like dog shit.